Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can clear RAM cache in Windows 11. So I will show you the best method. So let me start with the video. So first right click on your that taskbar and you go to the task manager, or you can simply search here task manager. Under the performance you can click on memory, and under the memory you can see the cache. Okay, so currently we have 1.7 GB. So how we can clear it? So we need to go in browser. Okay, come to the any browser and search for RAM map. Okay, this is Microsoft software. Just open it. Here you can download the RAM map. Here the download folder. Just open the folder. Okay, here we have that downloaded file. I just right click on it and just extract all. Okay, just open it, and here the RAM map, that application, just double click on it, open it. Okay, agree. Now go to the empty options and click on that empty standby list. Okay, now let me open the task manager. Under the performance, under the memory, now you can see cache has been decreased, which is 25 MB only. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.